Everyone is talking about AI taking jobs, but no one is talking about the new jobs AI is creating in Africa. Now, jobs that don't need a laptop, a degree, or connection, just your phone. Today, we dive into the AI jobs Africans are doing quietly, but are actually paying in 2025 towards 2026. Now, if you are seeing this is my AI avatar for the purpose of entertainment. Let's start with one of the most underrated AI jobs, AI microtask trainers. There are actually Africans helping train large AI models by labeling images, correcting AI mistakes, organizing data, and giving feedback. But this is not the old boring data entry from 2018. Now, in 2025, AI models they need millions of tiny corrections every day. People are actually earning from their phones by actually doing things like rating AI chatbot responses, categorizing product images, correcting AI translations, training self-driving car datasets, filtering social content from machine learning, and much more. These jobs are always hiring because AI must constantly learn. Now, some of the tools or maybe some of the AI places you can find such jobs include remote task, data annotation. Now, next is a job most Africans don't even know exists. Actually, AI prompt designer. This is someone who writes instructions that make AI create better designs, videos, images, or even answers. And companies are paying for it because good prompts save time and increase result. What you can do is actually write prompts that generate posters for businesses and also prompts for clothing designs, prompt for AI videos, prompt for real estate ads, prompt for photo restoration, prompt for social media posts, and much more. Now, tools that you can actually start using or maybe creators like me are using is actually Kittl. You can use Dzine AI, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Midjourney, style tools, coloring book AI, and much more. Now, the third job is exploding, AI video facilitators, also known as avatar creators. Businesses in Africa are actually hiring creators who can create AI spokespeople, make product demo videos, translate ads into multiple languages using AI, create educational videos for non-governmental organizations, build brand, and much more. And the best part, people are doing this using only their phones with tools like ShortAI, Clinch AI, Poctory AI, Runaway, HeyGen, and much more. Now, if you're liking this content, you want to see more, please do me one favor and like, subscribe, and share to any African you know can actually benefit from this video. Without wasting any time, let's keep on. Now, you don't have to appear on camera, you don't have to edit video, you just turn text into video. Number 4, AI marketplace sellers. This is where many Africans are quietly making money without telling anyone. Using AI tools, they create digital products and sell them online. What they sell: t-shirt designs, book covers, posters, coloring books for kids, Notion templates, business planners, logo packs, mobile wallpapers, classroom worksheets, and much more. And the best thing, you can use tools like Dzine AI, Kittl, Coloring Book AI, Photopea, Prodia, and much more. These products sell on TikTok Shop, Etsy, Alternatives, and African platforms like Paystack, Gumroad, Seller, Jumia, and much more. Now, if you're finding value in this video, you want to see more, do me a favor, like, subscribe, and also share this video. Let's move on to number 5, which is actually AI social media managers using just your phone. Businesses across Africa need help creating daily posts, product stories, reels, promoted ads, short video scripts, blog posts, designs, and much more, and even full marketing strategies. AI makes the work easier. One person using ChatGPT or maybe Kittl or maybe Dzine AI can manage up to 5 clients. Isn't that actually awesome? Now, this job did not exist 5 years ago. Now Africans are turning it into real monthly income. Now, to summarize everything and also to add you more, here are the rare high-paying AI jobs that will blow up in Africa in 2026. Number one, AI tutor for schools, teaching students to use AI tools. Now, AI local language trainer and much more. AI product reviewer, AI customer support assistant. This job pay more because the demand is huge. And that is the truth, guys. AI is not only removing jobs, it is creating new ones, especially for Africans who are actually willing to learn. If you want me to create tutorials and step-by-step guides for any of these AI jobs, comment below, teach me, and I'll be so glad to do so. Now, Africa's digital future is not coming, it is already here. And if you're loving this content, you want to see more, please do me one favor. Tell me in the comment section which AI tools have you tried, which AI side hustles have you tried, and which one will you want me to dive into, or maybe which one are you into? I'll so be happy to actually read some of your comments, and for those who are commenting, liking, and also sharing, I want to say thank you so much. And like I said, this is my AI avatar, and I would love to hear your opinions about it. Do you like it? Actually, this is my real voice in my AI avatar. Now, I love to continue with this series, and I'll see you next in my next videos. Like I said, guys, like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. Until next time, guys, if you have any queries, you have any questions about it, or maybe any other side hustle that you have tried, let me know in the comment section. I'll be so glad to read some of your comments. Thanks for watching, and until next time, guys, I'll see you. Take care and bye bye.